Welcome back, OptionFlow enthusiasts. I'm Lou, OptionFlow founder. Welcome to this new video. Disclaimer as usual, I'm not here to suggesting you what to do with your money, how to invest. It's only my personal blog. I share my own ideas, my way of thinking, what I do with my money. I'm not raising capital because I'm not a bank or an investment fund. So I share what I do, what I think, okay, what I do with my money. So what you do with your money, it's your business, it's your responsibility, it's your choice. I don't care. Do what you want. Okay, so who am I? I am a high ticket mentor for investors. I teach how to invest your money, giving you a step by step strategy so you can earn month after month, year after year. You can create or improve a stream of income investing your money with few hours a month and in any market condition. Okay, so today we are going to see the market trends. Okay, so understanding market trends and direction is essential for a successful trading, a successful investing. Okay, so let's explore how you can evaluate and leverage trends to your advantage with OptionFlow. First thing first, let's talk about identifying trends and market direction. A trend is the general direction in which a market or an asset price is moving over time. There are three types of trends, okay? And based on the three types, there is a strategy I teach investors, okay? So there is uptrend, downtrend, and sideways, okay? Let's see an example. Okay, let's consider this is, for example, an ETF. I share semiconductor, SOXX. This is the chart. Okay, let's close this. Chart 6 months chart. Okay, so it's 6 months daily. So if you read a chart, okay, this is a 6 months period, and every candlestick represents 1 day. Okay, so an uptrend is characterized by higher highs and higher lows, indicating a bullish sentiment and buying pressure. So if you can see this chart, okay, 6 months chart, the trend is bullish. What I consider in a trend, I consider the first day, okay, and the last. I don't care what's in the middle, okay. To identify the trends, it's very simple. So if the last, okay, so it's today or the day before, it's higher than the one 6 months ago, in this case, okay, the trend is higher. So it's, in this case, it's very easy. Okay, this is an uptrend. Okay, I don't consider for a strategy what's in the middle. Okay, to identify a trend, it's very simple. First day 6 months ago, first day today or yesterday or the last session. Okay, this is the last. It's higher than the first. Okay, this is an uptrend. Period. So I don't overanalyze what's in the middle. No, but in the middle, high and low, triple high, triple low, blah blah blah. I don't care. So this is why how I identify a trend. So this is uptrend. Let's make an example of a downtrend. Example. Okay, let's pretend this is another underlying. Okay, I usually analyze underlyings 6 months, the last 6 months. Okay, so I selected the last month, but let's pretend that this is another underlying. It's just to understand. Okay, let's see the downtrend. Downtrend is lower highs and lower lows. So it's a bearish sentiment and selling pressure. Okay, like before, to identify the trend, okay, I see the first day 6 months ago, the last, okay, it's lower, yes, so okay, this is a downtrend. You can see 6 months ago $226, yesterday, 2 days ago, 217. Okay, as you can see in the middle, you can see high, low. Okay, very big movement, low, and then high. Okay, but the trend, a 6-month trend, is bearish. It's a downtrend. Okay, so this is how I analyze trends. Very easy. Analysis are much more easier than the majority tells you. Okay, because keeping things complicated and don't let you understand well how to invest, what you can do, and create confusion in your mind. It's very good to sell you services, investments, automatic investments, and all this kind of stuff. Okay, I invest my money and I tell you how I analyze. So this is the trend, period. First point on the chart, last point. Okay, let's see the third and the last. It's sideways. Sideways, for example, just to make simple. Okay, so let's pretend this is another underlying. Okay, let's pretend it's the last 6 months, okay, of another underlying. Is just to show you. For example, let's pretend this is another underlying and we are analyzing trend of the last 6 months trend. Okay, sideways, it's the definition is when the price moves within a relatively narrow range. Okay, indicating indecision or equilibrium between buyers and sellers. How I identify a sideways trend? Very simple, like the couple we have seen before. I take the first day 6 months ago. Let's pretend this is a 6 month chart. Okay, 6 months ago and the last, it's quite the same. Okay, I consider a range 1%, more or less 2% maximum. Okay, but it doesn't mean the same dollar. Okay, so but 1% more or less I consider the trend sideways. Okay, so let's pretend this is the chart. Okay, so you can see, for example, 215 and the last is 216. Okay, and more or less it's the same. So this is a sideways trend. Why identifying trends? Because I have a checklist. I teach a checklist for my investors. I teach one-on-one. Okay, so if there is a trend and plus other checklist, this can change the strategy. Okay, we open, and so first things first, identify the trends. So these are the 3 trends and how I identify the trend. Okay, so what tools and techniques you can use for analyze trends? This is a universe, okay, because there are lots of indicators, lots of analysis, lots of studies you can do. I keep that simple because I teach also investors how to keep things simple. Okay, investing can be difficult. There are lots of things, and the most of them I don't use, and I don't advise to use my investors. So, keeping simple, I use only simple moving averages, okay, and volatility. These are the only two key factors I analyze to after identifying trends, how to see if open an investment or not. Okay, so simple moving averages. In my option flow method, I teach three simple moving averages and volatility, but depends. Okay, depends, of course. What is your investment style, the time frame, of course, because my time frame is investing 2-3 months. Okay, so if you are investing like a scalper, of course you need something different from me. I am an investor and I teach people how to invest money, but my typical investor, works or as it's is or her own business, or self-employed, and have family, so he or she doesn't want to be in front of charts for hours every day, or couldn't or doesn't want. That's why I teach how to invest with few hours a month. Once you learn, just hour a week, a couple of hours a week, not more. Okay, so this is how works for me and worked for me, because I am a businessman, I am an investor, I am a mentor, so I have no time to stay hours watching charts, and I don't want, okay, because this is a work trader. It means a full-time job. It's a business. It takes all the day, every day. Trading part-time, it's BS. It's not possible. Okay, but investing in a smart way, with few hours a month, it's possible. Okay, with low risk. Okay, so you can be more stressful because you have your work, your family, your daily routine, and adding stress is not healthy for your body, for your mind. Okay, so this is how I thought, what I needed for me, for myself, and it worked, and it currently works, and I teach investor how to do the same. So identify trends. Okay, so, and another advice, so keep things simple. The simpler the better. Okay, you don't need 20 indicators, 20 studies analyzing 20 different angles to make an investment. This is one extreme. The other extreme is give the bank consultant, okay, invest, this is the money, do what you want, because you have lots of expenses, very bad performances. okay? With a high inflation, maybe you invest and you don't have anything in return, okay? So it's not a solution, but it's possible to invest, making simple. The more people, organization, banks, they don't want you to know that is much more simpler than it is, because it's a business for them, of course. And if you imagine, if you see a mess, if you see a confusion, if you say, oh my god, it's not for me, it's easier to you to give your money to someone else to invest. Okay, so I teach, au contraire, I teach people how to invest his or her own money very autonomously, like an independent, creative, building their own insurance company. Okay, so I made another video with the title Building Your Own Insurance Company. You can watch my channel, because I explain how with your personal money. So if you want to create this for your money, this for your lifestyle, make it simple, few hours a month with low risk, generating or improving a stream of income, okay, investing your money, you can click on the link below this video. It's a Calendly link to book a free consultation call with me. So let's see if OptionFlow method is a good fit for your specific situation. I work only with few selected investors, so I can tell you in a couple of minutes if it's a good fit for you and for me, okay, or not. So this is the video for today. So book free consultation call with me in the link below this video, and stay tuned for our next video. Okay, so until next time, happy trading, happy investing. Bye.